Hey everybody, just going to show you how to find the articles that you'll need for this essay. So under the academics link here, we're going to go down to the Library and Learning Center. There on the home page, you'll see this box for articles and databases. And on the right-hand side of the screen, click on Gale Databases. That's my sign-in information. Now in the search box, we're going to type in a streetcar named Desire, and you see how the play comes up as soon as I start typing the keywords. So click on this one, the first result with play. Then after that, this page will load. You'll see that there's a bunch of articles, but we're going to limit it to academic journals. So click on that. And the last thing you'll do is click on this box here that says peer-reviewed journals, and it's going to reduce your findings under the academic journals heading to 17. Let's do this again. It's like 1729, I think. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, you're not going to read all 1,700 of them. You're just going to search for a few that you think you'd like. Look at the title, maybe scan it a little bit. I'd recommend reading 5 to 10, or at least getting a sense of what 5 to 10 are about. You're not required to read them in full, but in the search, find 2 that you really like, and then those are the ones that you'll use for your essay. You can print them out, whatever you need to do. All right, any questions about that, let me know. As always, take care.